Hi, I'm Mike. In this video, I will show you how to add a key to this 2020 Subaru XV using the new OTOFIX IM1. To add a key to this vehicle, we need one working key and one blank key. If you're ready, let's go. First, connect the V1 VCI to the vehicle's OBD2 port. A green check mark displays atop the VCI icon on the tablet once the VCI is paired to the tablet. Tap the IMMO, short for immobilizer, icon. Select your vehicle by tapping Asia and then Subaru. We manually identify the vehicle for the system as this vehicle does not support the automatic selection function. Next, we scan the vehicle for existing fault codes. It's important to perform an all-system scan before attempting any immobilizer and key programming function to ensure that this and all related systems are code-free. Great, no fault codes are detected, so we can take the next step in the process. Select Add Key. Follow the instructions to add a key by placing a working key close to the start button. When you hear a ding, take the working key away from the start button and replace it with the blank key. A second ding will be heard when this key has been added to the vehicle. Press OK to confirm. Now let's test our new key with a start of the engine. Rescan the vehicle to ensure that the vehicle remains code-free. So that's it. In less than 2 minutes, you added a new key for this Subaru. Amazing, right? Check out the OTOFIX YouTube channel for additional videos on using the IM1 and all the OTOFIX tools. I'm Mike, thank you for watching.